When you're ready, find a comfortable seat where you can sit and take a few moments to enjoy this meditation. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose, and with the out breath, expel anything limiting you at this time. Begin to feel deep relaxation throughout the body. Focus on the heart area. Become aware of the sounds of birds, the leaves blowing in the breeze. Find yourself walking through a forest. Bringing all the senses to play. What do you see? What do you smell? Do you smell pine needles? Or do you smell the decay of leaves that have fallen on the ground? In this forest, we celebrate the element of wood, a time for creativity, luxury, and flourishing. All necessary elements in the art of manifesting. Find somewhere comfortable to sit, or lie down and connect with the earth. Perhaps you see the sun shimmering through the leaves of the trees. Become aware of deep, deep connection. This is an opportunity for you to ask. Ask for what you need right now. What is for your highest good? What through this connection can bring you joy? And connect to the area of the heart. Connect to love, self-love, and the light of that connection. Take a moment or two to receive the gifts that are being given to you now. To receive the guidance that is being given to you now. With deep unconditional love. When you are ready, feel your connection to this beautiful space, these trees, the energy of the trees. Feel this through the heart. Become aware of that warmth, that light that shines through the heart. Become aware of you sitting in the chair, and gently begin to deepen your breath. Gently begin to move the body by maybe slightly rocking the body from side to side. Take another deep breath in and out through the mouth. And when you are ready,